Like many other parts of the project, I started the soffits in the back corner where no one would see all my mistakes, trying to figure out what I was doing for the first time. Quickly became apparent that spanning almost 3 feet with a vinyl soffit was going to be a little tricky, so I ended up installing some strips of 3/4 inch plywood that were anchored back to the trusses, and that let me screw the soffit directly into something, as well as clipping into the F channels on both sides. Both corners done, I went along one side of the house until I got to the shed dormer, which was a little tricky until I remembered that I had some rubber bumpers for ladders and my safety harness, so I was able to climb up there and get all the soffit pieces installed. And then it was a straight run along the front of the house, doing the same intermediate board to help the vinyl soffits span the length. Going on the other side of the house. Hopefully this was going to be the last time that I had to extend a ladder out onto the metal roof and wear a safety harness to get the soffits installed. If you get all your pieces cut to length, they go in relatively quickly, but there is the occasional piece that needs to be trimmed for minor variations in the F channel. Of course, when you get up to the ridge where your soffit ends, you're going to have to trim the last piece to get a good fit. Other than that, turned out pretty good.